How to recover Upwork account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can recover Upwork account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser and in the search bar type in Upwork login. Now you can simply head towards its official website, that is upwork.com. Navigate to the top right corner and click on login button. Once you're on the login prompt, first of all you need to enter your username or email that is associated with your account. So enter your username or email, whatever you want. Once you're done, click on continue. And on the next page, you'll be asked to enter your password. Since we don't know the password, there is a link given here that says forget password. That's going to help you recover your account. So click on this link here. Now you will land on this page here. It says enter the email address or username associated with your Upwork account. So here you can enter email or username, then click on continue. Now here it says we have sent you an email with an instructions to reset your password. So check your inbox and follow the steps there. Then once you change your password, you have to go to return to login. So what you have to do is you have to open up Gmail in your device and make sure that you're signed in with your preferred account. So once you're here, you will have an inbox from Upwork that says password reset request. So click on reset your password. Here you can enter your new password, and which must be at least 8 characters long, including one number or one symbol. Under that, re-enter your password, and once you're done typing your new password, click on change password. And once you read the confirmation message saying that your password has been changed, now you can get back to the Upwork. Click on return to login, and now you can log in with your new password that you have created recently. So that's the way to recover your Upwork account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.